Hello, welcome to this review on Wondershare PDFElement, an outstanding tool to manage and work with your PDF files. It's not only cost-effective, but also incredibly intuitive to use. It is available for Windows, Mac OS, iOS, and Android smartphones. Upgrade with either a subscription plan or a perpetual license to edit your PDF files. Remove any watermark, get a complete technical support, and up to 20 GB of cloud storage included. PDFElement opens with several quick options to start working on top and your most recent documents listed at the bottom. You can pick any recent file or go to Open PDF to browse for another you have. To create new PDF documents, go to Create PDF and select Blank PDF to start from scratch. Go to Edit to open a PDF file and modify its text content and images. With Convert PDF, you can convert a PDF file into an editable Office document thanks to advanced OCR, optical character recognition, that preserves your original page layout and allows you to select and edit text, images, and even entire tables. Now let's see what you can do with PDFElement professionally and effortlessly. As you open a PDF file, PDFElement automatically recognizes text and images on it, ready to be edited. On the left, go to Thumbnail to insert new pages. Extract any or adjust any page size according to your needs. Whereas, go to Crop on top to crop the page as you like. You can also filter the elements to modify from Edit All, choosing between text, images, or links. For example, enable Edit Text to select any place of text to move, resize, and rotate. You can also select its content to adjust its properties and color on the right. Switch to the Edit section and go to Add Text to insert new pieces of text, and to Add Image to import new images into your document. Enable Add Link to add a clickable region towards specific website URLs or offline documents. From the Comment section, you can leave annotations and notes within your PDF, as well as freehand drawings or quick text corrections as needed. On Convert, you can transform your PDF in several editable Office documents on the go. PDFElement is very good for your business as well. Switch to Form to add dynamic and interactive elements to gather data, such as text fields, checkboxes, buttons, and much more. Now, PDFElement includes a complete AI assistant under Home, AI Tools, making your PDF editing experience more efficient and dynamic than ever before. Powered by ChatGPT, this AI-driven assistant is designed to guide you through various tasks with a quick sidebar on the right. You can chat directly to address quick queries. Enable a Summarize command to extract the main points from long documents to save time, or switch to Rewrite to enhance the PDF document automatically by improving clarity, style, and grammar. It can also proofread text content to check spelling errors and provide descriptions and hints on complex topics with Explain. While the chat can provide you assistance on specific parts of the PDF document, you can also perform automatic corrections on the entire document from the top. For example, to detect if the document has been written by any AI algorithm, to proofread the entire content or translate all into more than 100 languages. PDFElement now comes with automatic bookmarks from the View section. By analyzing your entire PDF document structure and headings, the bookmarks are automatically created for a quick and prompt navigation. PDFElement truly empowers you with loads of tools to transform your PDF documents into well-structured, visually appealing, and professional pieces of work. Don't forget to check the video description for additional resources, tips, and offers about Wondershare PDFElement.